Hi guys, we have today with us Sharul. Sharul have got the highest placement on campus. So Sharul, I'm going to various colleges and talking to students who got the highest placement. क्योंकि सबको लगता है कि हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट तुम्हारे में कुछ अलग है कि दो सिंग लगे हैं या कुछ हाई फाई है तुम्हारे में. सो वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट योर जर्नी, वेयर यू फ्रॉम, योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, बैकग्राउंड, एंड देन हाउ यू ऑब्वियसली हैव टू वर्क हार्ड बिकॉज वंस यू जॉइन द कॉलेज एवरीबडी सेम. हर एक का मोटा मोटा प्रोफाइल सेम है, सब कुछ सेम है और सूट सेम डालने के बाद वैसे सब एक जैसे दिखते हैं. सो व्हाट यू डिड एक्स्ट्रा सो दैट यू गॉट द हाईएस्ट पैकेज ऑन campus. So let's start with your where you from and basics here.
Okay. So sir, I am from Mumbai. Born and brought up in Mumbai only. I did my schooling, education from KC College, Kishinson Chilaram College, which is at Churchgate. I did my BMS from there. Post that, I started working. As far as MBA was concerned, I never had a plan of actually doing MBA because I always thought that before doing MBA, I need to have a certain exposure towards the industry so that I could understand and have a perfect blend of work experience as well as understand the criticality of the upper management team. So that is the reason why I decided to have a work experience first. So I started working and be it luckily.
Where you worked?
Yeah, so I started on a third party payroll at Development Bank of Singapore. Over there I used to work in cash operations. So I used to handle our digital payment products like NEFT, RTGS, IMPS and UPI.
So you're mainly into KPO types? KPO or what was your main?
I started as a KPO and then I finally ended up in Barclays. Over there BGSCL. So I worked over there in treasury operations at a BA2 analyst level.
Nice.
But my entire journey has been hopefully into banking industry. So I had a different connection towards banking and its various services that is offered. And I decided at that point if I have to do any career, it would be banking and banking only. And
okay. So you came to the campus. So after coming to the campus, what you did your, because the placement is common for everyone.
Yes.
The faculty is going to train you, the college train you at same for everyone. So what extra you did? कोई तीन चीजें ऐसा जो बाकी लोग बताना चाहो कि यार ये तीन चीजें करो तो you have a chance to get a above average package.
So first of all is attend lectures.
Attend lectures. That's a good one, yaar. Attend lectures. So basically your knowledge, everything that all come together.
Even if I think that lectures won't matter, they actually do. You learn a lot from faculties, what they speak and what is actually there in the PPT, what they present. There's a huge difference between that. So if you could just understand the flow or the theme that they are explaining to you of various things, that could help you to actually learn and grow your knowledge base and implement it in practical life too.
ये चीज़ ना मम्मी बोल के थक गई, हमने नहीं सुना. ये हर स्कूल के कॉलेज के टीचर बोलते हम नहीं सुनते. या दैट्स अ बेनिफिट ऑफ इंटरव्यू कि हम अपना बंदा बोलता हाँ चले यार अपना बंदा बोलता मान लेते हैं बात. तो ठीक है, अटेंड लेक्चर. सो बेसिकली लर्न एज मच एज यू कैन.
Get yourself registered into as many competitions as you could, so that not only your vocabulary would improve, but also you'll get a sense of how to handle situations when they are not in your control. So it's like there are ample of bizarre questions that are being asked when you go for an inter-college competition or an intra-college competition.
Right.
So those help you train to crack many interviews, honestly, because your mind is being trained in such a manner that you know how to give spontaneous answer in a very effective and efficient way.
True.
And
you learn as well, yeah. The moment in the college, my knowledge is related to this group, and of course everyone is still in the same way. And the moment you go out to other B school, you realize कि यार यहाँ पे अच्छा हो रहा है, यहाँ पे अच्छा हो रहा है, I can do all these things.
And MBA is all about networking. Ensure that you network a lot. It's like it's a hub of people with different knowledge, different experience.
Correct.
Different. Everything is different over here. So you get to know a lot of things just by talking to people. So that is one thing that you should not let go from yourself. Being introvert is okay, but also try to be a little extrovert. That would help you not only make changes in yourself, but also adapt to the environment in a very simpler manner.
True. Very true. So how many inter-college events you recommend is good?
There's no such thing, sir, to be very honest, but try to
दो तीन
तो कर ही लो.
एक IIM का नाम तो होना चाहिए. This is what I tell everyone,
Yeah.
because the moment you're in MBA this thing environment, so IIM का नाम sell.
Yes,
So
sir.
any event if you participate, if you can win, great. Even if participation is also equally good.
But
So you have also been a part of the placement committee, right?
no,
You're not
Nachiket is a part of. I'm
Okay.
an alumni relations
Your alumni committee, right?
Yeah, see,
So even committee member, if you are the moment in the committee member, so that also create an impression
Yes,
कि
sir.
यार ये he is slightly above average. I won't say you're the smartest among the batch, but yeah, because then those who are not in committee will find that अरे इसका मतलब हमें है ही नहीं कोई, तो सब अच्छे हैं. But yeah, you get an edge, a little bit edge in terms of कि जो panelist आ रहा है, because every B school have this committee thing.
Yes.
So अगर आप committee में निकल सकते हो तो then my thumb rule says if you are in a committee, दिस मीन तुम्हें कैंपस में जॉब, अच्छी जॉब पक्का मिलेगी. नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ योर जैक एंड दिस पॉलिटिक्स विच आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू, बिकॉज कमेटी में वही जाता है जो पहले अच्छा होता है.
exactly, like you show yourself, like how much you're willing to learn and how much you are good as a team player. So these are the two
Correct.
qualities that are very important in an individual to survive in corporate life.
करेक्ट.
So that is what I believe in, and yeah, being humble, being true to yourself, and most importantly is to understand or to listen to people. What we usually do is we don't tend to listen, we tend to talk. But listening is also a very good habit that we should inculcate in ourselves, so that you understand many things, you just not give, take also things.
सो और बॉम्बे के हो तो कैट और सीटी दोनों साथ में दिया ही होगा बैकअप के लिए.
हाँ सर, CAT
So
दिया.
you came via which exam?
I came by CMAT.
CMAT. So what was your experience that time? कैट में कैट दिया आपने?
हाँ सर, CAT तो
CAT
एक
कैसे-
बार दिया.
एक बार.
So the thing is, I was working. I never quitted job and did MBA because I always thought that MBA should be a part and parcel of my life. It should not be the only thing that would define myself.
Correct.
So I was working, I was growing up the ladder, and I simultaneously decided to, alright, let's understand how the entrance exam or understand how the competition is. So the first time I gave CAT, so I scored obviously very bad. Then
वेरी बैड मतलब कितना? 50 के नीचे, 50 के ऊपर?
above 50, but
60,
below
70,
65.
65 तक. तो देखो भैया, कैट 65% आने के बाद ना पब्लिक कूद जाती है कि भैया नहीं होने वाला हमसे, दे क्विट. So we have this example in front of you that even though you have done bad in CAT, of course you have not studied. तो सीधी बात है, पढ़ेगा तो स्कोर आएगा.
Yes, sir.
पढ़ेगा तो स्कोर कैसे आएगा?
कैसे आएगा?
And then improved, and now today is sitting with the highest package in Yes Bank, right?
Yes Bank, sir.
Yes
for
Bank and
internal audit and compliance.
Intel audit,
Internal audit.
internal audit and compliance.
Yes, sir.
Superb. And it's around 23 point?
23.5. sir.
23.5 lakh package. So great यार, great. So this is something you have to, so stories like your is motivating for everyone कि भाई it's not the end of the world. कि मैं KPO में जॉब करता हूँ तो मतलब लाइफ में कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता हमारा, या people start judging on the basis of that. So yeah, you have to improve.
Yes.
मेहनत करोगे ऊपर जाओगे, सीधी बात है यार, सीधी बात है. Superb. So anything you like to add for something that what during the journey of
My
2
peers
years?
played a very good role. Nachiket over here, Nachiket, Ajay, Pranjali, Mayuresh. So we all were the first, like these are the first guys whom I met. So we started our journey together. Today everybody got placed at day minus. So
Wow.
there's a day minus
Day
thing.
zero kind.
Yeah, day minus, day zero kind of
Right.
thing that is happening. This was the first time that day minus went very fruitful in our college, and we actually went as good as an average package of a Jamnalal Bajaj or a
Correct.
IIM. Baby IIMs.
बेबी तो एनी डे है वो. राइट. सो सुपर्ब यार, ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल जो ना बैड कॉलेज, देन दे बड़े बेकार क्राउड है, बेकार ये है. भाई तुम्हें तुम्हारे जैसे बंदे मिल जाएंगे.
Yes,
सो वट एवर योर, इफ यू आर स्मार्ट और इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, यू विल फाइंड लाइक माइंड पीपल. और तुम्हें 4-5 चाहिए, तुम्हें पूरा झुंड नहीं चाहिए, 100 नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें.
Yes.
सो आपके अपने जैसे बंदे ढूंढो. ठीक है, अगर कोई कहता है कि मेरा ये क्राउड बेकार है, तो मतलब तो खुद ही ऐसा हो, तभी तो ऐसे देखो ऐसे लोग दिख रहे हैं आजू बाजू. एंड इवन इफ यू गो टू IIMs एंड यू फेयरिंग आउट ऑफ सिंक एरिया, बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट लोग आगे, तो तुम्हारे ऐसे लोग मिल जाएंगे.
Definitely. So
राइट.
peers played a very important, crucial role in my life during this entire journey. And as I said, we had a good support from our faculties, we had a good support from our placement committee did excellent this year. Actually, these guys, I don't know how they pushed many companies to come to ensure, and the companies also liked us. So like Tata Capital came in here. They had eventually planned to take very few people, but they ended up taking 17 people from our batch.
Wow, Tata Capital.
Yeah, for various different roles. So this is the beauty of our students as well as our placement committee, bringing right opportunities at the right time for us,
Great.
and students also cracking it at their best.
Superb. Great. Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much,
much.
sir.